Hodgepodge Pam here with another great item up for sale on eBay. This is the Charlie Brown Christmas interactive storybook with sound. Just got a brand new battery back here. The book is in great condition. A few little marks from storage, but nothing major. It was printed in 2010 and has all the interactive buttons there that work. The infamous
Good grief.
And then we have let's see.
And there were in the same country shepherds abiding in the fields, keeping watch over their flocks by night. And lo, the angel of the Lord came upon them, and the glory of the Lord shone round about them, and they were sore afraid. And the angel said unto them, Fear not, for behold, I bring unto you good tidings of great joy, which shall be to all people. For unto you this day is born in the city of Bethlehem a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. That's what Christmas is all about, Charlie Brown.
And that's the Charlie Brown Christmas interactive storybook available on eBay from Hodgepodge Pam.